If you've ever cracked a screen or dealt with a scratched up phone that drives you crazy every time you look at it, this is going to fix that problem for you. Thank you so much to the brand for sending me these because my phone was in desperate need of a new screen protector. So one of the things that I actually love most about this is how easy the installation is. It comes with this automatic positioning and dust removal kit, so you're not stuck lining it up by eye and praying that you don't get a bubble. First, you can use the provided wet cloth to clean off your phone, and then you use the microfiber cloth to dry it. Then you remove any final dust particles with the dust absorber, and then all you have to do is put the included frame on your phone, press down on the bottom of the frame, and make sure it's the bottom and not the middle or the top, and then you pull the tab straight out and wait a few seconds until the screen protector adheres to the screen. And that's it. It worked perfectly the first try. There are no bubbles, no dust is trapped underneath, and there are no crooked edges. It's also full screen coverage with a 3D curved edge, so it wraps around the whole screen, including the corners, and there are no gaps for dust or scratches to sneak in. And as you can see, it still works fine with the case on, which is always a concern with full coverage protectors. As far as protection goes, it's rated well above 9H hardness with this triple ion exchange technology. So it's built to handle drops and everyday impact, which if you're like me and you drop your phone more than you'd like to admit, this is a huge relief. And visually, it doesn't take away from the screen at all. It's still HD clear, and it even has blue light filtering that's built in, so it's a little easier on your eyes if you're staring at your phone a lot like I am for work. It also comes with 2 in the pack, so you have a backup that's ready to go whenever you need it. So if you've been putting off getting a new screen protector, or you're tired of dealing with bubbles and misaligned installs, this one has made it so simple to fix. I would definitely recommend picking up a pack of these.